Hi everyone, welcome back to Kiloview channel. I'm Judy. Before we start our video today, let's talk about NDI formats. As we know, there are two formats of NDI, the High Bandwidth NDI and the NDI HX. Well, on the market, the two NDI formats sometimes will confuse our customers. You know, some of the high-end or professional production systems don't natively support ingesting or outputting NDI HX, only High Bandwidth NDI. And also in some professional workflows, NDI High Bandwidth is the preferred format for real-time switching, graphics, overlays, etc. However, the gap is most of the PTZ cameras on the market only output NDI HX. Sounds to be complexing, right? And then the customers will always ask, is there a solution that can help you doing that easily? And the answer is absolutely yes. That's exactly the power of our RF02 with FMG-400, the media gateway card. So in today's video, we are going to walk you through how to use the FMG-400 media gateway card inside of our RF02 to transcode your PTZ cameras, NDI HX video streams into high bandwidth NDI seamlessly. And no matter is NDI HX2 or HX3, both can be supported. And then your PTZ camera signals will arrive into your production systems already in high bandwidth NDI formats. More professional and more stable. Alright, let's see how it's done. And first, let's just log in directly into the RF02. There is already a FMG-400 media gateway card inserted. So let's directly click to enter the FMG-400 through the dashboard. In the source list, we can locate the NDI HX video source from your PTZ camera. And now, here's the key step. Click on Outputs, select Add Outputs, and under the protocol type, choose NDI High Bandwidth. Give your stream a name, click OK, and enable the service. At this point, the FMG-400 is working in real time. It takes the NDI HX stream from the PTZ camera and transcode it into a high bandwidth NDI high bandwidth video stream. And now let's open up our production software. Here we use vMix as an example. And the signal source is already showing up in the NDI discovery list. Let's go ahead and add it. Done. So whether your production software only supports NDI high bandwidth or you simply just want to reduce the decoding load on the production side, then the FMG-400 plus our RF02 combination gives you a clean, reliable solution. If you would like to learn more detailed information about our RF02, the FMG-400, or any of our other products, please visit Kiloview website www.kiloview.com. You are also welcome to subscribe our newsletters, follow Kiloview social media, and we will have more tutorials coming soon. I'm Judy. See you next time.